everybody, this is Dave Cooper, and we are at the International Builders Show in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I am here inside Zook Cabins. Tell us a little bit about who you are and what this is all about, because it is busy in here.
Yeah, so I'm Matt with Zook Cabins. We are a modular builder based out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
We started in the log cabin space. We got into tiny homes and found our modern style is really what we're good at. And so we pushed that into the modular space, and this is the unveiling of the A-frame modular.
You're telling me this is modular?
Yes. This was delivered here to Las Vegas in 3 different boxes. Within 4 days, everything was set, ready to go. The set itself with the crane and the modules took about 4 hours.
Sure.
And we're just super excited. Obviously, the A-frame design is a timeless design.
Yeah, sure.
But it's hard to build.
Yeah.
And it's hard to build modular. We're excited with how this turned out.
Got it. So what do you have? You have like 2 mods this way and then a roof box?
So 2 mods this way and then 1 up top running perpendicular.
Got it.
And then the roof folds up, making that A-frame peak.
You've been in the business a long time. How about the modular side of this with Zook and doing this high level quality stuff?
Yeah, so this is where we started. We started with the log cabins, and quality has always been at the forefront of what we're trying to do. You can go anywhere and get a modular home that's going to fall apart in 15, 20 years. That's not what we're about. We're trying to put people in homes that last a lifetime. So far, it's been very successful.
Now, you guys are manufacturing out of Pennsylvania. Where do you ship to?
So we ship all over the U.S., a lot to Colorado, Idaho, down to Tennessee, and then of course in our northeast backyard, New York. But yeah, the housing market, the labor shortage, all of that coming together makes for a lot of opportunity.
Is your clientele the consumer, developers, or a little bit of both?
The consumer. We're manufacturing, selling direct to the consumer.
Yeah, perfect. Well, you got a heck of a turnout here. How's the show been so far?
It's been great.
Opening day.
Yeah, this is our first year here, and we have been blown away.
Yeah.
A lot of good response.
Perfect. Matt, thank you so much for taking a few minutes. Tell us a little bit about Zook Cabins. I'm Dave Cooper, International Builders Show. Keep watching.